Inspiring responsibility in the leaders of tomorrow is something that is high on many companies' agendas. The Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining, or IOM3, hopes that the work they do now in inspiring and educating minds of all ages about sustainability will impact the future in a positive way. We went to find out more about the Institute's work.
Port Talbot in South Wales is home to one of the largest integrated steelworks in Europe. Its owner, Tata Steel, has been a key contributor to the UK energy industries for more than 25 years and has supplied more than 1 million tonnes of pipeline for oil and gas products in the North Sea. Oil is also used here for the manufacturing of steel, in the hydraulic systems and for lubrication in various production processes. And it was at the steelworks that I met the new president of the Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining, also known as IOM3. It's a professional body that promotes all aspects of materials science and engineering.
IOM3 is a major engineering institution which is based in the UK but serves population worldwide, and our activities encompass the whole materials cycle, to everything from exploration and extraction right through to materials recycling and land reuse. So we serve industries including the petroleum engineering, oil and gas, and also the steel industry.
So what does the Institute do to support its members?
One of the main ways that we can do this is we're an awarding body for professional qualifications. So this means that we can help people with career development, and also they get better recognition for the work that they're doing.
The Institute is also keen to influence industrial and public policy debate, as well as support emerging technologies. And it recognises the global importance of the transition to a low-carbon, resource-efficient economy. Here at the steelworks, steel is infinitely recyclable, so sustainability is at the very heart of what they do.
There's a number of byproducts from the blast furnace process. The slag that we'll granulate, which will go into the cement industry, and that helps reduce energy costs and CO2. And then the gases, which we reuse on site for either heat or steam or electricity generation. And we're continually looking at improving those efficiencies. And our next step on that is to move from combusting those gases to using chemical processes on those gases to produce products such as ethanol and methanol.
IOM3 is also keen to support its members by delivering knowledge, information and networking services. Amy Goodall works for Tata Steel and is on the Institute's Younger Members Committee.
It's helped build up a support network and links within the industry, which I wouldn't have had otherwise. Things like Materials World magazine's been really useful. It tells me not just what's going on in my industry, but what's going on in the general material science world as a whole, which has been great. I'm on the Younger Members Committee, and that's for people early on in their career, and it's a network for them.
IOM3 has a membership of more than 18,000, members from a variety of backgrounds, from students right through to company chief executives. And another important part of the Institute's work is to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers.
All of those materials come from natural resources.
And outreach activities by IOM3 in schools and colleges like this one in Swansea give young people a hands-on introduction to how materials shape the world around them.
It was really interesting to see the different materials. My brother works in this line of work, and here in the lesson today I know a little bit about it now.
I was already going down the path of analytical sciences and analytical chemistry, but thinking about it now, I'm kind of interested in getting to the engineering aspect of things too.
Once you have a group in front of you, it's not challenging to get them enthused at all, and seeing the looks on their faces change from, oh, actually I don't know very much about this, to, oh wow, this is amazing, is incredibly rewarding. But also then to increase their aspirations and try and encourage them to think about going off into a materials field.
In 2019, IOM3 celebrates 150 years since the formation of the Iron and Steel Institute. But as it looks to the future, it remains committed to serving a much wider range of industries, including oil and gas, as well as the people who work within them.